Does your RV have the furnace vents on the floor? Poor design. Well, stay tuned for another RV quick tip. Everybody, it's Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures, and thanks for joining me today. You know, our YouTube channel is about all things camping. Whether you tent camp or RV camp, our goal is to just help you have a great camping experience. So today we're talking about furnace vents. Oh my gosh, why in the heck did they ever decide to put the furnace vents on the floor of RVs when you're out camping? Come on, you guys, you're in the most dirtiest places. We just got back from a week-long beach camping trip, and can I just tell you how much sand is at the bottom of our floor vents? So today I'm just going to give you a quick tip to help prevent that. Okay, so just grab yourself a pair of nylons. You can use the full length or the knee high. Basically, if you get the full length, you're just going to cut them down to a knee high length. Scrunch them up, get it pulled over your vent. You know, we have a big Newfoundland. Murphy's 150 pounds, and can I just tell you, he sheds a lot of hair. So this just acts as a really nice filter to help prevent some of that hair, dirt, and sand going down your vent. Now granted, this is not a catch-all. It's not going to last you probably your entire camping season. Nylons do rip, but it is a good alternative to help keep most of the stuff out of your vent. So thank you again for joining us. Hey, if you got some value out of the video, give us a big thumbs up. We would also love to have you subscribe to our channel. So go grab yourself a pair of nylons, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Bye everyone.